Hey everyone, this is Ashwiin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This will be our very first video of the Java programming series. In this video, you'll learn some background knowledge on Java and installation on some tools you are required for this course. You'll be starting to learn Java programming from scratch as an absolute beginner, and at the end of the series, you will be writing Java applications like a pro. So let's begin. So why learn Java programming? Java is a good first language to learn as the syntax is easy to read and also has a strong community support. Therefore, there's an abundance of learning materials and code samples to be found out there. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It basically splits your code into smaller and more manageable blocks. Being object-oriented helps to keep the system modular, flexible, and extensible. It's a useful skill as it manages complexity of real-world applications well. Java is portable and able to run almost anywhere, such as servers, desktops, and even on our mobile devices. Not forgetting, Java is free to be used in development and test environments. The history of Java is very fascinating. Java was formerly created for interactive television. However, it was too advanced for digital cable industry. It was more applicable for internet programming. Java was firstly named as GreenTop by James Gosling, and the file extension was .gt. Later on, it was renamed to Oak. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java because it was already a trademark of Oak Technologies. Java is now a commonly used language for programming, although it is a fairly young computer language. There are a number of programming languages that is before Java. For example, C was introduced in 1970 and C++ was introduced in 1980. Java language is not completely new and looks similar to C++ programming. Java Virtual Machine is also known as interpreter. JVM takes in the bytecode and executes the code on the appropriate operating system. First, the compiler reads the source code, for example, firstapplication.java, and then the output would be a bytecode, firstapplication.class for this instance. Lastly, the Java Virtual Machine will read the bytecode and display the result on the screen. But since we would be using an IDE for this course, the compilation and execution would be easily done for us. There are two software tools we will require for this course. The first software would be Java Development Kit, also commonly known as JDK. It is basically a software for us to run Java applications. The second tool would be an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is basically a code editor, a platform where you write your code to build software applications. There are a number of popular IDE such as BlueJ, IntelliJ, Eclipse, and Netbeans. In my case, I will be using Netbeans. Let's begin with the installation of JDK and Netbeans. Go into your commonly used web browser and search for JDK and Netbeans download. Choose the link that states as JDK 8 Update 111 with Netbeans 8.2 Oracle. Before clicking on the link to download, you will need to accept license agreement. Choose the operating system you'll be running on. In my case, I'll be choosing Mac OS X. Once the download is completed, you can just follow through the process for installation. Awesome, we have come to the end of this video. By now, you would have some background knowledge on Java. You would also have installed JDK and Netbeans. I have prepared some quiz which are meant to help you and test your understanding after watching my video. The links are in the video description below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I would appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications on my next video. Thank you and have an awesome day everyone.